Hello. Now today I'm going to talk about the difference between the urinary tract infection and the yeast infections. Therefore, I'm going also to talk about their symptoms and signs and even the treatment that they may require. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more of these videos. Now, the urinary tract infection, it's a bacterial infection that affects the urinary tract system. That's the urethra, the bladder, and even what we call the urethra and the kidneys. So this is where the urinary tract infection affects. Now, on the signs and symptoms, one can present with the discolored or the cloudy urine that may contain what we call blood and the odorous smell. The other thing is having pain and burning during urination. The other thing is one can present with even fevers, vomiting, nausea in complicated urinary tract infections. Now, also one can have the tenderness of the lower abdominal or what we call the back and even the sides, what we call the flank pains. On the treatment, this requires antibiotic because it's a bacterial infection that invade the urinary tract system. So these are some of the signs and symptoms that someone with urinary tract infection can present with. When it comes to the yeast infections, these are the candida, what we call are caused by the candida fungus, and the most affect the vagina in the woman and even the urethra in men. Now, when it comes to the signs and symptoms, one can present with, one can produce a very thick, whitish or odorless vaginal discharge, which is a milk-like. The other thing is the itchiness and the swelling on the affected area, such as the vagina and the vulva. The other thing is pain during urination, or what we call pain during sexual intercourse. Now, these yeast infections just need antifungal for the treatments. So the oral, the application, and even the what we call the inserts. These are the ones to treat these yeast infections. So this is the difference for those who ask what might be, is it a urinary tract infection or a yeast infection, according to the way you present. So this is the difference between the urinary tract infection and the yeast infections. So thank you. This is the end of this video. Kindly remember to subscribe, to share, and to comment so that we continue making this kind of videos. Thank you.